We're all part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
Do you listen to music whilst you're at work? And if so, what's on the playlist?
Ooh.
Well, at the moment we've got, what is it?
Country.
Heart Country, I think, downstairs on the radio.
Got all kinds of covers going on in country style down there at the moment. It's amazing.
Quite often now it's country music, but like modern country. It's not like Dolly Parton or anything like that.
I'm one of those weird people that listens to everything. I'll listen to some, I'm not even going to get into it because it's going to make me look pretentious on camera, but I listen to everything.
I do listen to music. Sometimes it's Radio 1. Don't know if I can say that, but radio.
I'm not really a music guy when I'm working. I'll generally just listen to podcasts.
Joe has also been known to get so into his work or distracted he's had the same song on for hours and only realised like hours later.
I've done that for a full day once. I listened to the same song on repeat for 8 hours.
Do you remember what it was?
Yeah, it was Bulls on Parade. Yeah, great song. You don't know what that is, do you? Oh my God.
I've got a very eclectic taste in music. It literally could be anything, and then throw in random songs that the kids have added to Spotify, like Pink Fluffy Unicorns.
Mine would be, yes, I do listen to music, but generally when I'm trying to focus, because I struggle writing sentences anyway, I can't have words, so it's probably a lot of drum and bass.
So I'm judging all of your answers. I really apologise. I can't help it.